Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the increasing and decreasing function by using derivative. Here the procedure in which we can find the increasing and decreasing function. Here is the function y equal to f of x. Then first of all you find dy by dx, the derivative of y equal to dy by dx, or that is what f dash x. Here putting dy by dx equal to 0. Then after putting dy by dx equal to 0, find the value of x. Then find the interval in which dy by dx greater than 0. तो जो x का वैल्यू x रो वैल्यू आसला परे जो वैल्यू रे कोन हबो dy by dx greater than 0 जेतुरु जेति पजते that when you find that is the increasing, and the interval where dy by dx is less than 0, that is the decreasing. This is the process of finding what, or procedure of finding increasing or decreasing function. So one problem I will do for you. Now look at. Y equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 36x minus 7. Here is the problem to you, from which we can find the increasing and decreasing intervals. So कौन करा हबो यार increasing and decreasing interval find out करिया पे मु कहि फर्स्ट स्टेप रे कौन करा हबो, you find by dy by dx. dy by dx equal to here 6x square. Here it is 6x minus 36. 7 derivative is 0. So this is what 6x square plus 6x minus 36. Okay, this is the first step over. Second one, dy by dx equal to 0. Putting dy by dx equal to 0. So that means dy by dx value, what is this one, is the dy by dx value 6x square plus 6x minus 36 equal to 0. So make a common of 6, then we'll get what, x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So here it is 6 into, split this middle term, then we'll get what, x square multiplication minus 6, addition 1. So what value we will get, here it is plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Split this middle term. Addition will get 1, multiplication will get minus 6. Here it is 6 into, which one is the, what is the common in this case? Here x is the common. X is the common. So here x plus 3. Here minus 2 is the common, x plus 3 equal to 0. So here you write what, x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So here look at x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. Second one, x equal to x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2. So how many value of x came? There are two values, one x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. There are two values came. Okay. So how to find increasing and decreasing? Understood or not? First of all you find the derivative, then put the derivative equal to 0, then find the value of x. This or up to this mark. Now what to do now? Get in number line, you draw a number line. A number line from extending from 0 to, here it is how many values are there? X equal to minus 3, this minus 3, x equal to 3, 2, x equal to 2. So this is the total number line. This minus infinity and this is the plus infinity. At middle it is 0. Okay, at middle it is 0. So now divide the whole number line into 3 parts. From minus 3 to this direction and plus 2 to this direction, and in between minus 2 and 3. You divide this 3. Understood or not? x equal to minus 3, x equal to 2 दीटा अच्छी थी ताकू कौन करा वो नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट कला करे minus 3 to less 2 to more and in between minus 3 and 2 ये तीनटा पार्ट करा देखिए केमती कौन करा होची इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग केमती फाइंड आउट करा होची लेट्स सी so this is what dy by dx look at dy by dx equal to this one so now put the value here it is you look at minus 3 to minus infinity you take one of the value let's say this is the minus 4 here minus 5 out of माने minus 3 to minus infinity भितर गोटे value होची minus 4 minus 5 etc etc अब चेक करिए देखिया एडी minus 4 पुट करले कोन आसी minus 5 पुट करले कोन आसी हैला देखियो सो एति की कोड कोन लिखा है इट इज 6 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 this one what dy by dx equal एडी मु कोन करी x पाखरे मु minus 4 पुट करी एडी minus 4 पुट करले केते आसी एटी सपोज मु x पाखरे minus 4 पुट करी minus 4 plus 3 एडी minus 4 minus 2 here this is minus and this is also minus so whole total minus into minus equal to greater than 0 positive here x equal to minus 4 minus 5 जोटा पुट कर एपट वैल्यू गुडा को here it is minus and this is also minus both minus to minus equal to plus plus means greater than 0 this is the positive okay so dy by dx is a positive from minus 3 to minus infinity so that is minus infinity to minus 3 dy by dx is greater than 0 means positive so what increasing or decreasing increasing means dy by dx equal to greater than 0 so from 2 to onward 2 to सेपटू कौन आछ देखिया 2 to सेपटू वैल्यू जाय कौन होची 3 4 5 etc etc choose any one of the value आ भितर जे कोन छु वैल्यू तो हम फाइंड आउट करबा एटी हम पुट करिया देखिबा एट x इक्वल टू व्हाट 3 फॉर एग्जांपल x इक्वल टू 3 एटी x पाखर मु 3 पुट करबी 3 plus 3 केते 6 plus 3 minus 2 plus this the plus into plus this is what dy by dx equal to 6 into you consider at x equal to 3 you consider 3 नेले हबो 4 नेले हबो 5 नेले हबो जे कोन से गोटे वैल्यू नेले हबो because in between 2 to plus infinity जे कोन से गोटे वैल्यू नेलो हैला सो केता से मु इटी कोन करी 3 नेले इटी पुट करले केता है 3 plus 3 6 3 minus 2 1 a is greater than 0 means what positive number so increasing from where to where it is increasing from 2 to infinity from 2 to infinity it increases next एपटो रहला आ गोटे पार्ट कोटा रहला इन बिटवीन -3 and 2 -3 and 2 भीतर ये इंक्रीजिंग होना डिक्रीजिंग होना देखिया अरे भीतर गोटे नंबर होची कोन -2 -1 this one and 2 choose any one of the number आ भीतर जे कोन से गोटे नंबर को हम चूज करिया को नंबर को चूज करिया लेट्स से 0 1 1 -1 जे कोन से गोटे नंबर को चूज करिया so at x equal to -1 you consider at x equal to -1 dy by dx equal to what happens then it is -1 put करले कोन आसी -1 plus 3 6 into -1 plus 3 एटा केते -1 minus 2 -1 minus 2 केते -3 एटा होची प्लस minus into plus equal to negative minus so it less than 0 less than 0 रे कोन आसी को टू केते बदले less than 0 आसीला -3 to 2 बदले from -2 to 3 dy by dx greater than 0 increase sorry less than 0 decreasing negative due to negative it is what less than 0 so it is what decreasing so finally what to write look at finally you write in this way increasing increasing from minus infinity to minus 3. Minus infinity to minus 3. This is the first one. Second one again increases from 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. In between them you put what union. Increasing from minus infinity to minus 3 and 2 to plus infinity, and decreasing from minus 3 to 2 only. Minus 3 to 2. So this type of problems, this type of procedure is used in case of what? Algebraic problem. One problem I will do for you again. Look at. So here it is the trigonometric problem. Y equal to sin x plus cos x. Y equal to sin x plus cos x. Here x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. X belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So now we will discuss about one by one clearly. You get. First step, find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to cos x derivative is what? Sorry, sin x derivative is cos x and cos x derivative is minus sin x. So derivative already find out. Second, putting dy by dx equal to 0. Putting dy by dx equal to 0, that implies dy by dx value cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So sin x separate कल के कैसे हुआ? Cos x equal to sin x. So a cos x को सपोर्ट नहीं के लिए डिवाइड कर देले sin x by cos x is equal to 1. Sin x by cos x equal to tan x. So 1 equal to what? 1 equal to, so 1 equal to tan 45 degree. And you look at here, from 0 to 2 pi means, look at here, from 0 to 2 pi, the total is 0 to 2 pi. In the first quadrant, 45 degree, tan is positive, 1. Also in the third quadrant, 180 plus this one, 225. Okay, so this is 5 pi by 4. This is also what? 1. It is 0 to 2 pi बंदे को आई जी ना, 0 to 2 pi मैंने अर्थ हो जी, इठु आरंभ करे ऐसे बंदे. First quadrant positive, first quadrant pi by 4, third quadrant बंदे positive, 5 pi by 4. So tan रे कौन value आसीबो? और tan 5 pi by 4. Okay. Tan x equal to this one. So x equal to कितने आसला? X equal to उटे 5 by 4 आसला, और उटे 5 pi by 4 आसला. There are two values. बर्तमान मुझे ये नंबर लाइन करी भी एक आउट रे एटा को मु गोल करके आउट बुझे दोची क्लियरली. You look at now very clearly. कोड पॉजिटिव आइसो कोड नेगेटिव आइसो. So look at. और tan कौन बाय tan x इक्वल टू ये हमने डिपेंड करा है जी ये कौन dy by dx इक्वल टू कितने है dy by dx इक्वल cos x minus sin x. cos x minus sin x भी तो એટલે ડેરિવેટિવ टा का पर डिपेंड करछि cos and sin पर डिपेंड कर. देखिया मैं ଗୋଟେ कांसेप्ट कहू जी नाउ लिसन 0 to 45 डिग्री पर्यंत 0 to 45 डिग्री पर्यंत से cos is greater than sin. Here cos is greater than sin from 0 to 45 degree, from here to here. From here to here sin is greater than cos. So here it is the 5 pi by 4. From pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, sin is greater than cos. Again from here to here. Here which one greater than? Again cos is greater than sin. From 5 pi by 4 to what? Here 2 pi, up to 2 pi. Which one greater? Cos is greater. Now we will discuss. Here it is what? X equal to k. One is what? 5 by 4. Second is 5 pi by 4. Understood or not? X equal to how it came 5 by 4 and 5 pi by 4. We will discuss increasing and decreasing now. Look at. So again you look at dy by dx equal to cos x minus sin x. cos x minus sin x एटा पॉजिटिव आसीबो केते बेले cos टा जोटी ग्रेटर हो काडू साइड टू जदी cos टा ग्रेटर हो एटा पॉजिटिव आसीबो जदी साइड टा ग्रेटर है जो cos टा स्मॉलर हो सेटा कोन आसीबो लेस देन आसीबो नेगेटिव आसीबो सो पुटू केते बंदे cos टा ग्रेटर अछि 0 to pi by 4 बंदे cos टा ग्रेटर अछि साइड टा कोन अछि लेस अछि देयरफॉर इट कोन आसीबो इंक्रीजिंग आसीबो पुटू 0 to pi by 4 आउ गोटे एटी cos टा ग्रेटर अछि इट के 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi by 1 रे cos टा ग्रेटर अछि साइड टू सो दिस वन आल्सो व्हाट ग्रेटर माने इंक्रीजिंग अछि सो कोन लिखा हो देखिया फ्रॉम 0 to pi by 4 0 to pi by 4 cos is greater than cos x greater than sin x लिखा है जी cos x greater than सो dy by dx केते आसीबो ग्रेटर एज पॉजिटिव आसीबो ना नेगेटिव आसीबो पॉजिटिव आसीबो तेनु इंक्रीजिंग so increase 8 to pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 एटा किए बड़ो sin बड़ो cos सान cos is less than cos x is less than sin x तेनु करी एटा रे माइनस कले कोन आछो नेगेटिव आछो dy by dx is less than 0 so it कोन आछो डिक्रीजिंग आछो dcr decreasing okay so again from 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi 2 pi which one greater here yeah cos is greater again cos x greater than sin x so dy by dx equal to greater than 0 or less than 0 greater than 0 काहे एटा होची पॉजिटिव आसिला so increasing दी जगह आसिला डिक्रीजिंग गुटे जगह आसिला मु पूरा टोटल टा लिखले कोन होबो इंक्रीजिंग इंटरवल कुटी कुटी इंक्रीजिंग आसिला फर्स्ट इंटरवल टा 0 to pi by 4 and union second interval 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi this is what increasing interval these two are increasing interval it is increasing it is decreasing गोटे अछि डिक्रीजिंग अछि को इंटरवल टा 5 by 4 to 5 pi by 4 this is a decreasing interval so increasing interval and decreasing interval these two okay so a trigonometric and other is algebra now more detail we will discuss another problem look at this exercise 8c okay y equal to ln x by x x greater than 0 x greater than 0 means positive negative value should not take the negative value from 0 to infinity okay all value you put but one value that is what negative values are what restricted all the positive real values you take so unlike other here also you find what dy by dx dy by dx equal to u by v method x constant dy by dx of ln x minus ln x constant dy by dx of x whole by x square where x ln x derivative 1 by x minus ln x x derivative 1 by x square here it is x is cot here 1 minus ln x by x square so 1 equal to you know this is ln e equal to 1 ln e equal to 1 so instead of 1 you put what ln e minus ln x by x square so now this is dy by dx now by process putting what dy by dx equal to 0 dy by dx equal to 0 that implies what ln e minus ln x by x square equal to 0 x square you take that side, then you get what ln e minus ln x is equal to 0. So ln x equal to ln e. Both side ln cancel, then x equal to e. So x equal to e. E is the positive number, you know, this is e equal to 2.7183. Right? E value this one. So on the number line we divide into two parts. This is the number line you will get. Only the positive value you take because x greater than 0. Negative value should not count. Here are the negative values. You should not count. Here it is 1, 1, this 2, 3. But E lies E equal to 2.7183. So E lies here. E equal to this one 2.7183. याको आमे कौन करिया दीटा पार्ट करिया गोटे होची कोन एपट रो 0 to E पर्यंत गोटे आसीबो E to एपट गुजो देयर आर टू सबसेक्शंस एपट को आसीबानी कोन पे आसीबानी ये दिया है x ग्रेटर देन 0 दिया है तन को एपट की हम कंसीडर करे जोटो अछि सेटा दीटा पार्ट करिया गोटे होची 0 to एति आ गोटे E to infinity को देखिबा कोन आछि हला कोड इंक्रीजिंग कोड डिक्रीजिंग आछि dy by dx equal to what? Here it is dy by dx. Okay. So you will get. Again you will get dy by dx equal to, just I am writing this one 1 minus ln x by x square. This one. From 0 to e. From 0 to e, one of the value you choose. को वैल्यू टाइम चूज करिया ता भीतर 1 अछि 2 अछि जे कोन से वैल्यू को हम चूज करिया कोन वैल्यू हम चूज करिया 2 चूज करिया देखिया एट x इक्वल टू 2 एपटे पुट करिया केते अछि देखिया dy by dx is equal to 1 minus okay 1 minus ln 2 minus ln 2 minus what ln 2 1 minus ln 2 by x square means 2 square that equal to 4. So this is positive or negative, we will see this one 1 minus ln 2 value, this is what greater than ln 2 is greater than 1, so it is negative, so this is what less than 0. Okay, so dy by dx from 0 to e dy by dx less than 0, so decrease from sorry here it is here it is ln 2 is less than 1 ln 2 because ln e equal to 1 all other values it is what less than 1 minus ln 2 is less than 0 sorry 1 minus ln 2 माने एटा होची पॉजिटिव आसीले एटा पॉजिटिव तन पर एटा होची पॉजिटिव आसीले ग्रेटर देन 0 dy by dx greater than 0, so increasing so what interval it is increasing from 0 to e. So now from e to plus infinity गोटे कहितली वर्तमान एठी 0 to e और e to plus infinity एपटे केते नंबर बंद रहला plus infinity बंद रहला एपटे नंबर जाके मन कर आ भीतर गोटे नंबर को चूज करी कोन नंबर गोटे चूज करी 3 फॉर एग्जांपल 3 4 5 आ भीतर गोटे नंबर पुट कर at x equal to 3 you consider dy by dx equal to केते होची 1 minus x पाखे को 3 पुट करियो ln 3 by 3 रो स्क्वायर but ln 3 is greater than 1 remember ln 3 is greater than 1 तेनु तो एटी कोन हो 1 रो 3 माइनस करले एटा नेगेटिव आसी एटा नेगेटिव आसी એટલે जदि नेगेटिव आसीला कोन होची e2 एपटे प्लस इनफिनिटी बनते e2 प्लस इनफिनिटी बनते dy by dx कोन होची लेस देन 0, so decreasing so increasing interval from 0 to e and decreasing interval e to infinity. Okay, so in this case you find So another problem I will do for you. Here is for you y equal to x minus 1 whole square x plus 2. Here we have to find the increasing and decreasing interval of this function. So how to find? Traditionally we are finding what derivative dy by dx is equal to u to v method apply kariba. The x plus 2 is the constant. Here derivative of r derivative find out kara. R derivative find out kala आगे power पे derivative find out करा 2 into x minus 1 whole square into dy dx of x minus 1 plus 80 constant into x minus 1 whole square dy dx of x plus 2. So x plus 2 is constant, you put x plus 2. It power power 2 into x minus 1. X minus 1 derivative 1 you leave it plus the x minus 1 whole square, a derivative of this one equal to 1, x derivative 1 2 0. So it वर्तमान common बाहर कर दवा x minus 1 common बाहर कर ले रोहिला कौन here x plus 2 into 2 plus x minus 1 बाहर ले और x minus 1 रोहिला. So here it is what x minus 1 into here 2x plus x 3x. Here 2 2s are 4 minus 1 but 3. Okay, this is the derivative dy by dx equal to this one. You can also find the common. Here it is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then putting what dy by dx equal to 0. Putting dy by dx equal to 0. Then what happens? 3 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is like x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. If x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1, here x equal to minus 1. So on the number line you take again number line. Here it is the number line you draw. Here it is minus infinity to here plus infinity. Here in between 0. Okay, so this is the derivative. You look at it. This is dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx equal to this one. We have already found. So what value x equal to 1? X equal to 1. This one x equal to 1. X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. So how many parts on the number line you can separate them? minus 1 to आमे कौन आइसबे एमती बैक आइसबेरिबा. This is the one part. Other part plus 1 to forward direction जाई परिबा. And in between minus 1 and plus 1. There are 3 parts. Which part? From minus infinity to minus 1. This is the first part. And here minus 1 to 1. Second part. And from 1 to plus infinity. Third part. Let's check. From this to this. Decreasing or increasing. From minus 1 to 1 it is increasing or decreasing, and 1 to infinity also it is increasing or decreasing. Let us discuss. Okay, now the first this part from minus 1 to minus infinity to minus 1, a part with a select one of the number minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Many numbers are there, so any one of the number you choose arbitrarily, put in dy by dx. A dy by dx पाखरे अभी तो उड़े number उड़े मान बाची कौन नंबर टा बाची minus 2. So it x equal to minus 2 you consider. Then dy by dx equal to what value? Here dy by dx equal to what? 3 into x minus 1 x plus 1. So 3 into, so instead of x you put what? Minus 2 minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1. The total answer is positive or negative. You look at here, this is minus and this is also minus. Minus into minus equal to plus. So this is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. Okay. So it is increasing. Again from 1 to infinity. from 1 to plus infinity. So dy by dx equal to what? You select one of the number in between 1 to infinity. 1 पर गोटे number को हमें select करें 2, 3, 4 etc etc. Choose one of the number, let's say 3 or 4, whatever that may be. You choose 4 number. Okay, at 4. At x equal to 4 I put. Okay, any number 2, 3, 4, whatever that may be, any one of the number. It x packet हमें put करें dy by dx रे x packet put करके कैसे हो? 3 into x packet 4, 4 minus 1, and 4 plus 1. This is a plus and this is also plus. Plus into plus equal to plus, so it is greater than 0. So increasing. From here it is increasing, from there also it is increasing. And the last from minus 1 to plus 1. So from minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1, choose one of the number. Which number lies in between minus 1 to plus 1? 0 lies. So dy by dx at x equal to 0 you put in between the number is 0. आ भीतर गोटे नंबर गोटे बाहर कराओ से नंबर टा पुट कराओ जे एपट गोटे नंबर से पड़ नंबर हम पुट कर अले पुट करे इट पुट करिया ए जो dy by dx बाहर पुट करे x बाहर केते आसे देखिया 3 into 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 and a plus 1, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1, so it is what? Negative. So negative. Negative asle kona haba? Decreasing asle. DCR means decreasing. So put increasing asla. So increasing intervals are increasing from what to what? Minus infinity to minus 1, and means union. Second increasing is the 1 to plus infinity. Here it is decreasing. Decreasing from what? Minus 1 to plus 1. So this type of, here you practice so many problems in exercise 8C. In exercise 8C from the element book, page number 249, exercise 8C. Okay, you practice the problems. There are many problems are there, and 4 problems I have done. Next class we will discuss more about this.